This is day 46 of trying to make 200K in 1 year. Let's do it, boys. So we were supposed to have our meeting with our developers today, our final meeting before we begin development. But something happened to one of my developers' kids, and I didn't want to push that, so we pushed back to tomorrow. Although I did send my document to them that has literally everything that we need to talk about in it, so it'll probably be a quick meeting tomorrow. I'm just happy to be done with that because I've been itching to actually begin development and send them that document because a lot of time went into that. But yeah, today I just finished up that doc, sent it to them, talked to them for a bit on Discord, and yeah, that's pretty much all I did besides going to rehearsal and some other things in my personal life, but not too much on the business front today. But I will catch you guys tomorrow. Follow me on other socials. I post daily. And peace.